Good day, guys. Welcome back to another episode. We're going to be doing some work on the Chevelle today. I'm super excited for it. It's not really going to be a how-to or anything like that, but we are definitely putting on some parts that we've got. So I'll do kind of like a little short video, some little clips getting ready and doing some of the stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoy this.
Oh baby, shaka on the beat.
Alright, so if any of you have ever installed headers, you know that it is a little bit time consuming. That is actually a big project. So I am happy that I got it done. It is really hot out here in the garage. I'm going to call it quits there. We still got a lot of parts to install on Operation Chevelle, and I can't wait to start doing that. But let me go ahead and show you what the engine bay and the engine look like now with the headers on. So here are the headers on both sides. I know some of you might say, you didn't torque them. I did torque them, not in the video. But these headers look really good. Ceramic coated Hedman heavy duty elite headers are what they are. The ceramic coating is going to be really nice because it's going to still keep and retain that awesome finish, along with helping heat in the engine bay and protecting from heat and kind of keeping the heat kept in the headers. But these headers have turned out really cool, I think. I'm absolutely loving them. So there's the headers there installed on the engine. Like I said, I'm really excited. I'm really happy. That's the first big thing that we have put on the car now. More videos to come. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, definitely consider subscribing to the channel. Follow along with Operation Chevelle, or follow along with the detailing stuff as well that we're doing, or the Challenger. We got a lot of car content, some pickup content, along with detailing stuff. But this is the first video of installing the headers. It took me a little while. It wasn't nothing too crazy hard, but I am super happy that they're on, and I can't get over how great it looks. But thank you so much for stopping in and checking out the video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one. And until then, take care.